That one? That does.
No! Tiger Woods arrested again?
Feels so badly. He's got some difficulty. There was an accident, and that's all I know. Very close friend of mine. He's an amazing person, amazing man, but some difficulty.
Say again?
Just keep you down here with us, please.
Yeah, I was just talking to the president.
Moments Tiger Woods was arrested. Deputies say the golfer showed signs of impairment after he clipped a truck while speeding and rolled his car over last week. Those are the allegations. And now we're seeing the moments police transported Woods in the back of a patrol car.
Stop the cap.
Stop the cap.
Tiger Woods is the Michael Jordan of golf,
Stop it. Get some help.
but he can't get a driver? I think there's more to what meets the eye, ladies and gentlemen. I think this is a escape. He'd rather be in this realm state of mind than to be in the comfort of wherever he's at. He doesn't want to be at home, married to that woman. He'd rather be intoxicated out of his mind. This is not the first time Tiger Woods has been arrested for the same behind the wheel under the influence. This is not this first time. So what's really going on? Please let me know in the comment section. I think he'd rather be in jail than at home, because what, this makes no sense. You have the resources to have a driver, a designated sober driver, but you choose to put yourself in a non-stop reoccurring situation, tarnishing your name. People don't even know who you are. The new generation, they know you for being arrested. Some black dude getting arrested because he can't hold his own liquor. Meanwhile, you're one of the greats. Stop the cap.
Stop the cap.
Hey, Charlie! Hey, Charlie, wake up!
Swapping knockouts with my bitch. I bought her the Lambo, she bought me the Ray. Swap it. Practice, 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 make perfect. Nigga, it's never too late. Never.
I don't think his head should be cocked back like that. I think he needs to be rushed to the nearest hospital. Prayers for Tiger Woods. He's obviously going through something. He's flipping cars. He's playing with his life. It's coming to a point where he doesn't even care. How do you go into that state of mind to where you're flipping your car? You should never be behind the wheel again. The judge needs to revoke his license. There needs to be an ankle monitor. There needs to remove the key. There should be no keys, no vehicle. Something needs to, his life is on the line. Crazy work.
Can you tell me what happened with the crash?
I was looking down at my phone.
Okay.
I already changed the radio station, and I hit.
Bruh, this Uncle Tom, this dude really said he was looking down on his phone, changing the radio station, and next thing you know, he got into the accident. First of all, my guy, you just self-incriminated yourself, Tiger Woods.
Stop the cap.
You can't beat that one. He said he was looking down at his phone before he got into his collision. Crazy work.
Okay, so are you willing to perform a few field sobriety exercises just to ensure that you're safe to operate the motor vehicle? Okay, what I'm going to have you do is I'm going to have you step out and we're going to go in front of my car, okay? Right? Right? Left?
1, 2, 1, 2, 1,
Make sure
2,
you speed up as you
1,
go.
2, 1.
We are dealing with Tiger effing Woods. This man Tiger Woods is playing patty cake bakers man out here. Talking about 1 2 1 2 1 2. Tiger Woods, you got arrested in 2017. Why are you playing patty cake talking about 1 2 1 2, doing a field sobriety test? What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? I need y'all to let me know in the comment section. What is going on? Is this a distraction so we can talk about this except for instead of the Epstein files? Speaking of the Epstein files, man, Jay-Z is on those files.
Everything in your life, it's not happening to you, it's happening for you.
2 1 2.
All right, you're all done? Okay, go ahead and stand up for me.
Oh no.
So at this time, I do believe your normal faculties are impaired, okay? And you're under the unknown substance, okay? So at this time, you're under arrest for DUI. Yes, sir.
Some breaking news. Golf legend Tiger Woods has been arrested after being involved in a car crash near his Florida home. It is his third crash in 20 years. Tiger was not injured and was alone in the car. The driver of the truck that was involved in the incident was also not injured. Officials say he has been arrested for driving under the influence with property damage and refusal to submit to a lawful test.
Tiger Woods was arrested on suspicion of DUI after he was involved in a car crash not far from his home in Jupiter Island, Florida. The sheriff said Tiger was driving a Range Rover northbound on the South Beach Road at a high speed when he attempted to pass a truck hauling a pressure cleaner, which had slowed to turn into a driveway. Tiger's SUV swerved to avoid the truck, but clipped the back trailer. The Range Rover flipped on its side and slid down the road. Tiger climbed out of the passenger window side to get out. Tiger and the other driver weren't injured. Tiger was arrested on suspicion of misdemeanor DUI with property damage and refusal to submit to a lawful test. He arrived at jail at 3 p.m. and was released on bail later Friday. Florida law requires that he spend at least 8 hours in jail before he could post bail. Now, it's reported that on the breathalyzer, he blew 0, 0, 0.
He passed.
They wanted him to take a urinalysis test. He refused that.
The legacy that you want to leave, because 25 years of great golf can be erased in a heartbeat. And I just feel really blessed for him that there wasn't injury or fatality or something of that weight. But yeah, we all feel bad for Tiger, but something, there's got to be accountability, and it's got to happen pretty soon.
Vehicle inebriated 3 times. Ain't nobody trying to know all your business. What we want to know is that you ain't gonna get behind the wheel of a damn car when you're inebriated. You're lucky you didn't kill somebody.
Childhood was not an option for Tiger Woods. He didn't really have one. He spent every waking minute on the golf course being pushed by his dad. Then he made it huge at a young age, had that thing of early, overwhelming fame, and then had physical ailments, which will come if you are that big an athlete, usually. It's rare that they don't. And turned to narcotics, quite clearly. And now, not only is he endangering himself, he almost had to have his leg amputated in 2021 after a car crash then. Almost amputated. He said it was 50-50. Could have gone either way at the time. But is endangering others repeatedly. He's endangering all the children in the neighborhood, which is his neighborhood, repeatedly. Driving these cars impaired. It's been, 2 or 3 incidents now? And doesn't seem to get it, no matter how many stints in rehab, brushes with death, possible ends to his career come flashing before his very eyes. So it's not to say never put your kids in sports, never drive them to be great athletes. But I just think any parent who's really hoping for their kid to make it big as a star at a young age is asking for this, what you see on your screen right here, a total car crash. Actually and metaphorically.
I had this problem in 2017 when they found you asleep in your car on the side of the road.
Tiger Woods is in big trouble. He has been arrested yet again for DUI. This happened in Jupiter, Florida, Friday at about 2 o'clock Eastern time. There was a pickup truck that was pulling into a driveway on a 2-lane road, and the pickup truck driver looked in his rear view and saw this Range Rover roaring down the street going really, really fast. Tiger Woods was behind the wheel of that Range Rover. The pickup truck driver tried pulling into the driveway, but the Range Rover was going so fast it clipped the pickup, and the Range Rover flipped over on its side, on the driver's side. Tiger actually got out the passenger side window, and law enforcement showed up quickly.
Looked down at my phone, and all of a sudden, boom,
Was he cooperative with us? The answer was he is cooperative, but he was not trying to incriminate himself. So he was careful in what he said and didn't say. And when it came time again for the test, the urine test at the jail, he stopped that.
He should have a driver with him wherever he goes. There is no excuse.
How you doing? Nice to meet you. Take care of yourself. Oh, thank you so much. Kyle Allen. How you doing, man? Kyle. Good to meet you, man. Yeah. Good job. Put on a good term. We tried to. Yeah. Nice to meet you. Good. All right, sounds good. Thank you. Thank you so much. Appreciate you. Have a good one.